Ar barch Jenner, welwch chi'r adloniant gorau o'r Bari dros yr wyl. Bradley Woolridge yn casglu. Jordan Cottrell ddim yn rhoi eiliad iddo fe ar y bel. Yn gryf. Yn Ciro Cosby. Rhy rhwydd i Cottrell. Ar ergyd yn berffaith i orffen. Gôl gampus gan gapten y Bari. Tîm Gavin Chesterfield ar y blaen wedi 5 munud. Gôl gynta y tymor i Cottrell. A fi'n gôl o safon fyd. Luke Cummings. Elliot Evans. Yn lledu ddi mas a Jordan Lamb. Yn trio twyllo Evan Press. Mae'n gwneud lle unan i gael yr ergyd i fewn. Gôl unigol wych i Jordan Lamb. Mae myfyrwyr wedi union i'r sgôr wedi 20 munud. Ni'n gwybod bod e'n rhedwr cryf. Fan hyn yn dangos bod e'n gallu ergydio bell hefyd. Hyfryd gan Lamb. Y gic rydd gan Elliot Evans. Mae'n disgyn i Joe Evans. Mike Lewis yn cael ei law ati. Dim yn saff eto. Dylan Rees o bellter. Unwaith eto, Mike Lewis yn arbed yn bwysig. 2 arbediad. Y cynta yn gwadu gôl gynta i'r Met i Joe Evans. A'r ail o gynnig Dylan Rees. Y Met yn parhau i bwyso nawr cynyddu y cyfleoedd. Will Evans, ond llwyddo i wasgu'r bas na mlaen at Baker. Ac unwaith eto, modfeddu heibio'r postyn. Jordan Lamb, sgoriwr. Sgiliau i gadw'r bel ar dir y chwarae. A Kerry o le gyda Elliot Evans. A'r ergyd yn syth at Mike Lewis. Gwenu ma Christian Edwards, ond mae fe'n gwybod bod hwnna'n gyfle eiraidd i Elliot Evans. Ond dafer amser i gipio'r pwyntiau i gyd.
It was a difficult game, you know, myself and Gav spoke and it was an ugly game, to say the least. But really, only one team going to win it. I think it was us. That was first half. We had really 7 or 8 really good chances to win the game and really should put the game to bed in that first half, but we didn't. And it was really about that central areas today to win the nicks, the flicks, the second balls and trying to capitalise that way. So it wasn't the prettiest of games at all.
Look, Christian would probably be the first to admit that I thought it was a really poor game today. I'm disappointed. I thought we started well, got ourselves a goal to the good. Disappointed with the goal we conceded because we had 3 warnings before that to address it, if you like. But look, I think that looking at the game today, I think Cardiff Met created more chances than us. And 4 points from our last 2 games now isn't too bad. It's probably a better point for us than it is for them.
It looks as if it's a 3-way tie between ourselves, Druids and Newtown. So we look forward to the challenge. But we got to the Holy Grail through the 7th spot last year. So it's important that we just keep fighting and getting as many points on the board as we can.